Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to act fast. First, confirm you're signed into the same Apple ID where the contacts lived. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Make sure Contacts is enabled. This triggers a sync. If Contacts was off, flip it on and choose Merge when prompted so local entries combine with cloud copies. Once done, go to Settings Contacts Accounts to verify any third-party accounts are enabled. If you have a recent iCloud backup, prepare to restore it next. Now choose the restore path that fits. For a quick check, sign into iCloud. On a browser, open Contacts, and verify items exist. Export a vCard if you want a manual import. For full recovery, you may need to erase and restore. Go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone, then erase all content and settings. After wipe, restore from your iCloud backup during setup. Alternatively, connect to a computer and restore from an iTunes or Finder backup. Finish by letting the phone complete iCloud syncing. Sometimes contacts need a few minutes to populate, so force quit the app and reopen. If you see duplicates or gaps, go back to Settings Contacts Accounts and toggle Contacts off, choose Keep on my iPhone, then toggle on and merge to force a fresh sync. If contacts are still missing, check iCloud. Comms recently deleted or restore an older backup. If you hit persistent issues, contact Apple support for account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.